If you were claiming old tax regime until before the budget and now you have a question whether or not to go for the old tax regime, you will have to take a call based on how much deduction plus exemption do you have when it comes to the old tax regime. This amount of deduction and exemption needs to be huge. If your income is up to 12 lakh rupees, it's a no-brainer that you'll go for the new tax regime. You don't really need to go and get into the deductions and exemptions, etc. Right? Because under the new tax regime, up to 12 lakhs without capital gains, there'll be no tax. Now, if it is beyond 12 lakhs, then you will have to compare based on how many deductions and exemptions do you have. I saw a great article which is shared by Mint giving the quantum of these deductions. This is the quantum of these deductions, all right? So based on your income level, you'll have to see if you can claim so many deductions. There aren't too many deductions that you can claim to meet this quantum or break even, right? From old to new. Why? Because you have section ATC 1,15,000. You can claim ATD up to 75,000. You can claim NPS. You can also claim interest on self-occupied house property 2 lakh. Apart from this, you can also claim certain exemptions like HRA if you're living in a rented house. All right. The quantum of these deductions plus exemptions has to be really high for you to be able to stay in the old tax regime. So yes, the government is phasing off the old tax regime. It's almost phased out. I feel the new tax regime will be beneficial in a lot of cases.